What is fraction? Fractions represent equal parts of a whole or a collection. Fraction of a whole. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of a whole. See examples. See how a whole can be divided into equal parts to form different fractions. Fraction of a collection. Fractions also represent parts of a set or collection. For example, there are 5 children. 3 out of 5 are girls. So the fraction of girls will be 3 divided by 5. Take a look at fraction of a collection. Here I have 2 sets of fruits. One collection has bananas and watermelons. Another collection has mangoes and apples. So how to write fraction for the bananas here? So I'll count total number of fruits here in this collection. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will write 7 at the bottom. And what fraction banana is in this collection? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So fraction for banana in this collection would be 4 out of 7. 4 upon 7. Look at this one. Here I have total number of fruits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And if I have to take fraction for apples, so how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3. So in this collection, fraction for apple would be 3 upon 5. Take another example. Here are some real life examples. The most common examples of fractions from real life are equal slices of pizza, fruit, cake, a bar of chocolate, etc. Here you can see we have 3 figures. The first one, rectangle, which is divided into 3 parts and they are unequally divided. So they do not form a fraction. Here it is divided in 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is unequally divided. So this also do not form a fraction. In this triangle here, this is also unequally divided. So this also do not form a fraction. Remember, fractions are formed when we have a whole that is divided into equal parts. Let's learn how to read a fraction. A fraction has 2 parts. One above this fraction line and one below the fraction line. The number which is on top of the fraction line is called numerator, that is n. The number which is below the fraction line is called denominator, that is d. Here 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. This is fraction line. We read this as 1 by 2. The numerator tells total parts you have and the denominator tells total number of the divided parts. For example, let us take another fraction. Say 2 by 5. So here this is fraction line. The number on top is numerator. Number down here is denominator. One more example. 3 divided by 4. Here, this number on top is numerator, number below the fraction line is denominator. Now, how to read this? We read this as 2 by 5 or 2 upon 5 or 2 over 5. And in words, we write it as 2 fifths, as it has 5 equal parts and we are taking 2 out of it. So 2 fifths. Similarly, for this fraction, this would be 3 by 4 or 3 upon 4, 3 over 4, in words 3 fourths. Correct? Let us learn writing fractions as words. So here we have 1 upon 2, that is half. So how do we write this? We write 1 half. Let's take another example. 1 upon 3. That means I divided something into 3 parts and I am taking out 1 part out of it. So in words it will be 1 and 3 is, this is 1/3, so 1/3. What about this 1 upon 4? I cut my pizza into 4 pieces and I gave 1 to my friend. So this is 1/4 or 1/4. So we will write 1/4 or 1/4. Okay, only for this we can say quarter also. Suppose we have 3 upon 4. How would we write this? I have 4 pieces of pizza and I am giving 3 to my friend. So the top number is 3. I will write this in words like 3 and this is fourths or 3/4. Okay. Now take another example. 2 divided by 5. 2 upon 5. So I cut my pizza into 5 slices and I gave 2 to my friend. So I gave 2/5. That is 2/5. Take one more example. 3 divided by 8. So I divided it into 8 equal parts and I gave away 6 to my friend. So 3 is on top. I will write 3 first and then 8. It will be written as 8s. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share.